So in this video, as we can see here, we don't have any option to check for our convergent validity, that is the average variance extracted, to know whether our tool has good convergent validity or not. So you don't need to worry whether you are using this software, Jamovi, SPSS, AMOS, or any other software that do not offer these options. The only thing you need is to get your loadings. So here we have our factor loading. So you only need to do some few calculations in Excel. So you need to have a new worksheet. You paste your loadings. So for the purpose of this, sorry, I'm pasting the wrong data. So the factor loadings, okay. So let me paste it as a new worksheet. So I can delete the unnecessary ones. So we can delete this one. You right click, then you delete. So in order to calculate for an AVE with the final item, so under attitude towards people living with HIV/AIDS, we have 7 items or indicators. With practices towards HIV prevention, we have 7 items. So the first thing you need to do is to calculate the R square for each item. So you simply need to square each item loading to get the R squared value. So you just click here, equal, select, times, select the same item, press enter, and that gives you the R square. So you can click on this and drag to the last one. So to calculate for the AVE is to take an average of all the R squared values of the 7 items before you can get that. So let's say with AVE, we can do something like AVE, average variance extracted. So we can say attitude, scale, practice, scale. So the next thing is to take an average. So we can do that. Oh, sorry. We can do that by simply doing equal to average, bracket open. You highlight all the R squared values of the 7 items. Close, press enter. You do same for the next one, average. And you press enter. So when you click on this, you see it highlights all the 7 items. And when you do save, it's the same. So it means that we have good convergent validity because they are above 0.5. You can decide to reduce the decimal point by highlighting this. You see this, decrease decimal, click on it, and this is your final AVE, which is also known as the the convergent validity. So that's just how we can do the calculation of the convergent validity using Excel.